So guys, welcome to Daily Cipher on Hamster Combat today. Just make sure you're on Daily Cipher. Now the code for today is ALT. That is, and A is dot dash. So you simply put dot dash, or you can call it dot, or you can call it short long. You get? So you just go ahead for A, you do short long or dot dash, and for T and for L you do dot dash dot dot. That is short long short short, and for L you simply put dash, and now you claim the prize. That's it for today. Come back in a few minutes for more updates on Hamster Combat. Like and subscribe and share this for more.